is what 111 sake vending machines look like. Welcome to Kanpai Planet. I'm Mac, and today we're at Nagaoka train station to check this out. Nagaoka is around 90 minutes by bullet train from Tokyo. It's famous for a number of things, amongst them being home to one of Japan's top 3 fireworks festivals, held at the start of August and watched by as many as 500,000 people. The city has a beautiful brewing district called Sataya, and walking around it you inhale a mixture of sake, soy sauce and miso aromas. Nagaoka is the second largest city in Niigata Prefecture, which has a whopping 88 breweries, and you can try sake from all of them inside Nagaoka train station at the Ponshukan, a parlour of over 100 vending machines dispensing local sake. Back to the real world to find out if it's worth the hype. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely fantastic. You can drink the sake of all breweries in Niigata.
Oh, that sounds like a wager to me.
The system is very straightforward. Minimum 500 yen spend gets you 5 coins. Individual sake are 1, 2 or 3 coins in price. Get your kiki choco, stick it in the bottom of the machine, get your sake, and when you're done, return the choco. So I've just been given my ochoko and we're ready to roll. You can enjoy year-round favourites, limited editions, or just choose based on your favourite labels. First up is number 99 from Hasegawa Brewery in Nagaoka. So stick the coin in, stick the choco here, and then press the button. Easy peasy. Kanpai. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. This is going to be a dangerous evening. This is very easy to drink, very light, but straight down the middle, Nihonshu. This is going to be gone. I'll be off to the next one very soon. Next up, this limited edition sake from Ofuku Brewery. It's called Yamakoshi and it's a Junmai Ginjo. This is limited to Niigata Prefecture, so you've got to be here to drink it. Kanpai. Ooh. You know, they really have lined up Niigata's best sake here. I can already tell by this aroma that this is going to be fantastic. A little bit more complex than the first one I had. Yeah, that pause there was just me enjoying the drink, you know. Sometimes that's what it's about. I would absolutely go back to this great performance here. But, you know, I've got 99 other sake to try, so I better get on with it. We continue. So here, number 67 from Hara Shuzo, the Hara Brewery. You can see they have the name of the sake. It's on the lighter side, yeah, getting onto complex and full of umami. But here for this Futsushu from Kawachu Brewery, they're describing the sake meter value and the acidity value, which is left blank, and the alcohol percentage. So bit of different information from each of these sake. Of course, I mean, I'm laughing because check this out. Fukugao Brewery, keeping it real with 2 of my favourite words in a lovely 5-word sentence. Sake and whiskey, together at last.
It's awful being a kid. No one listens to you.
It's rotten being old. No one listens to you. I'm a white male, age 18 to 49. Everyone listens to me, no matter how dumb my suggestions are. You can immediately tell by the colour that this is going to be delightful.
Super excited about this one. There have been a few examples recently of sake aged in whiskey barrels, namely Link 8888. Let's give this a go. Oh, you know, that smells a bit like bourbon to me, actually. Really interesting. Oh, wow. Wow. I will be taking a few bottles of this home. This is absolutely fantastic. Beautiful. The phrase "one of the best sake I've ever tried" is banded around a lot these days. So I'm not going to use that, but definitely in terms of something that's trying to do a little bit more interesting, this is absolutely fantastic. If you thought this was all great, it gets even better. They have a behind the counter fridge here, full of all sorts of delights. Incredible stuff. As a huge fan of nigori, I just had to get this. お願いします。
はい。ちょっと濁りなんで振らせていただきますね。
はい。
はい、お願いいたします。
Beautiful. You can see the milky color here of the nigori. Let's give this one a go here. Not much on the nose at all. Easy to drink. Not as easy or sessionable as the guy made out when he gave it to me. But nonetheless, a really great dram, as it were, of sake. So yeah, you get the idea. This is absolutely fantastic. There's actually 3 of these. One at Niigata Station, one here at Nagaoka Station, and one at Echigo Yuzawa Station, which is great for those of you who are going to go skiing when you come to Japan. So check them out. Absolutely fantastic, a real bargain, and a ton of fun. I'm going to stay here drinking more of these bad boys. And until next time, Kanpai.